Welcome to Melak Online Tutorial. Now before us is this question under work, energy and power, and it says a force of 25.0 Newton is needed to move a crate up a smooth incline 10.0 meter long. A. If the crate weighs 125 Newton, determine the work done. And B. How high above the floor is the top of the incline? Alright, by pictorial illustration, an incline plane is just a device that is used to aid work. Okay, now this is our horizontal ground. Now this is the incline plane that is about to be used to drag this crate. Now, and the force is 25 Newton according to the question. Okay, and here is the distance from the top of the incline down to the horizontal, and let us represent that as h. Now the weight of this crate acting downward is given as 125 Newton. Okay, I guess these are all the parameters. Okay, and it's remaining the length of the incline plane. So from here, from this point A to B is 10. Now it's 10.0 meter. Okay, now let us make this here A, B, point B, and let us say here C. Okay, all right, now from here, and by definition, work equals to the product of the force and the perpendicular what distance. Okay, now in this case our force is given as 25 Newton. Now the weight of the crate is given as 125 Newton. Okay, now and the distance from A to B is 10 meter. Okay, now let's see our work now, capital W. Okay, now equals to force times distance, and our force here is 25 now times the distance, which is what, 10. So this will give us what, 250 joules. Now it implies that this is the work that will be done if this crate, if this force of 25 Newton drags this crate from point A to point B. Alright, so now the next one, number B. Now this is number A. Now how high above the floor is the top of the incline, which means from here to here. Now since this is a smooth incline plane, okay, it implies that the work done, okay, from moving this crate from A to B will be the same thing as moving from here to here, okay, without the incline plane. All right, to this end, we can now say that our work also will now be the width of the crate, okay, because let me write it as small w, now times now the height. Okay, now to this end, our work done is what, 250. And why we make use of that, as I said earlier, that the work done in moving or in dragging this crate from A to B will be the same thing as just, you know, carrying it from here to this height without the aid of the what, incline plane. So equals now 125, which is the weight of the crate, then times what, the height. Now dividing both sides by 125. Then this will now be 125 here 1. I'm sure this should be 4. Okay, yeah, so our h now becomes what? 4 meter high. So the height from B to C is 4 meter high. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my video, and please do share this question to every other of your friends. Thank you and God bless you.